excuse me, not lilac. I'm repotting this little Spanish lavender. And this little guy is called Deep Rose and Oak Lavender. But it's really just Spanish lavender. But there are about 80 different varieties of lavender. So anyway, we're working on repotting this. And what I did was basically I took good, just regular potting soil. It's kind of loose, really loose. And I mixed it with a bunch of the leftover gravel, the gravel bits that you use as your base when I built the brick path, you know, out on the side where our trash cans are now. And over top I'm just going to put some pea gravel. So that's kind of what I've already done. So I'm just going to put a little bit more of this here. We'll just put a little bit around because lavender really likes kind of crappy soil, actually. It really likes gritty soil. And if you ever watch any of Monty Don's shows over there, when he talks about planting in France and stuff, it likes slate, it likes really rocky soil. So anyway, so I'd put a bunch of that in there. I'll give it a good water, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some of these guys around. I went ahead and picked them up from my little bone pile, as I call it. So we'll plant those guys in, and I've already wet it down underneath, which you hadn't seen previously when I first put in about half the soil and mixed in half of that grit. So we're just going to put this in to make it pretty. And I moved a little potting bench I have. I moved it out front, and I thought, you know, it'd be kind of nice for summer to move it out there. And since these guys, you know, everybody had died over here, I thought, well, okay, if I replant them and put them out front where it gets, you know, good morning sun, but keep it, you know, cooler in the afternoon and shaded, it should do better. And then the plants that are out here already in the backyard, they do just fine because they like the sun. So anyway, so that's what we're doing today. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.